All right, this is break number 535. I didn't have any trades PM to me, so however we randomize should be where we're at. I'm going to pop these teams in the post. I did forget to do that. There we go. What's up, Dustin? Giants. Oh, no, because I thought that was football. I'm glad you said something. I would have found it on PMs and figured it out eventually. But the football PMs I delayed looking into. And yeah, just totally put those off. I would have went to move the Giants and noticed it wasn't the right person. There we go. No, you're good. You said in Stadium Club, but I was in a hurry, so you did well. My wife was running out the door. I was trying to help her. Let me update the teams here. I gotta update the teams in all the spots so that I don't accidentally sort wrong. That could be bad. There we go. Now let's go. Good luck, everybody. We're gonna have a little bit of unwrapping to do first before we get down on the fun. All right, 16 packs, 8 cards apiece, 128 cards total. I don't like how close these cards are to the top. I'm gonna rip rather than cut. 2 autographs total as well. This is the last box I have on this, and unless y'all get after it and tell me you want more, I won't be getting any more. Fun to try, but unless it's a high demand, this isn't a product that I personally like to break. Especially when they have cards all backwards. Any more baseball? Yes, I was thinking, and what do you guys think? I have 4 high tech and 2 tier 1. And also 1 Bowman's Best. I was thinking about putting all the high tech and in tier 1 into one break. It would be 4, 6, 8 autographs and 2 memorabilia, 10 hits total. And that one would be $18 a spot. Or I could split them up into 2 breaks. Yeah, the packs don't rip that well. That one did. Got to get that corner out at least. 2 of the corners preferably. Shannon says split. Lewis says all in one. All in one, you get a better deal. Because I got to put in a certain amount of time for making the post, doing the breaking, sorting the cards. And you go, look, I do less than, I can't say everybody because I don't know, but anybody I see, usually I'm doing it for less. And if I'm not, then they're getting a lot better pricing, and I go research, figure out how they got those prices. So what I'm going for there is if I do more boxes at once, you get a better deal on that because I don't jack up the prices and I'll add boxes in. The Mike, Justin, Shane, and say all at once. It works better for me that way, and it works better for you. The prices do go up, but you don't have some of those, those fees. Every breaker will have them. For the time, effort, supplies, everything involved. There's a lot to it. I mean, a lot that people don't know that don't break. It's not too bad then. Brad Miller for the Rays. Good luck, everybody. Christian Friedrich for the Padres. And we're going backwards. Salvador Perez, Royals. And there are photo variations here. So you might have to check it when you get your cards. I might not catch them. Javier Lopez, Giants. Almides Diaz, Cardinals. Robert Selman, Mets. The Bowman, I'd probably do it by itself because it's such a different product. Shannon. Ichiro for, looks like Marlins, yep. Adrian Beltre, Rangers. First autograph after this card. Malik Smith for the Rays, gold label. And it is Stephen Wright for the Boston Red Sox. I'm not real familiar with him. The Stephen Wright on-card autograph is going to go to Jay Heupel. I don't know whether to say nice hit or not. Just because I'm not familiar with Stephen Wright. Knuckleball pitcher, huh? Lewis, when were you last requested to ship out? I shipped on, I believe, Thursday, and I'm shipping tomorrow. Looks like you're on the tomorrow list. I just lost my sheet. Hang on. There it is. Alright, backwards cards. Trace Thompson, Dodgers. Joe Panic, Giants. Albert Almora, Cubs. Andres Galarraga, Rockies. Denard Span, Giants. Curtis Granderson, Mets. Tim Raines, Nationals. He's an Expo on the card. He'll go to the Nationals. Ken Griffey Jr. is a Power Zone insert. Hey, come here, dog. Puff, come here, now. Get away from the door. Go lay down. Scoreless streak, this one 38 out of 50, Steven Strasburg for the Nationals. It's gold. Let me a parallel of the insert. Let's flip these around. Giants, Eduardo Nunez, Giants. George Springer, Astros. Trevor Story, Rockies. And Yu Darvish, Rangers. Yeah, I don't like the cards, how they're in there. They are just totally mixed up. And not a fan of that. I'm a fan of that card. We'll get to it in a second. Matt Carpenter for the Cardinals. Evan Longoria was throwing the football, the variation. Put these right here. 2017. I didn't bring up the photo variation. I felt like throwing the football was the variation, but I want to look now. Real quick, this is card number. No, it's the one below it. 253. 253. base card. I thought the variation was the one on the right when I looked at this the other day, but it's the base card, the one on the right. I'm sure you probably could have told me that. There's a link to them. I might have looked at it wrong then yesterday. There's a link if you want to peek. Alright, let's get back to it. Sorry about that. It was Evan Longoria, Chase Anderson, Brewers, Aaron Judge, Yankees, rookie. Oh, I thought it was gold label when I saw it the first time. So Sean Walsh getting an Aaron Judge rookie. Jorge Soler, Royals, Dan Vogelbach, Mariners, Roman Quinn, Phillies, Billy Hamilton, Reds, Garrett Richards, Angels, Jonathan LaCroix, Rangers, with that cool sky in the background. These are fantastic photos. Sandy Koufax, Dodgers, Adam Jones, Orioles, Jacoby Jones, a rookie, Tigers, Hunter Renfroe, rookie, Padres. I felt like one of those, maybe not Hunter, but one of the portraits. Card number 89. No, he doesn't even have one. There was another portrait I feel like I saw was Judge rookie counts as a hit. Yeah, it pretty much does right now. Jock Peterson, Angels. John Lester, Cubs. D. Gordon, Marlins. Alex Gordon, Royals. Luis Perdomo, Padres. Gary Sanchez, Yankees. Orlando Arcia, Brewers rookie. Bo Jackson for the Royals. Haven't seen him yet in this set. It's a cool card. David Wright, Mets. Corey Seager, the gold label for the Dodgers. Nice card. Jason Kipnis, Indians. Thought he was in a fight for a second. He's celebrating. He looks like he just threw a punch. Kevin Kiermaier, Rays. Backwards cards. Rockies, Carlos Gonzalez, Nolan Ryan, Rangers. Cal Ripken Jr., Orioles. Ken Giles, Astros. Joey Votto, Reds. Yu Darvish, Rangers, black. I saw you ask Shannon about the Judge, and I was running around trying to get the baby and then writing those breaks and trying to be on time. I was going to look. Toronto Blue Jays, Josh Donaldson, Andrew McCutchen, Pirates. But is your question already answered? Is that what you're saying there? You think you got Thursday? All right, I can peek. David Price, Red Sox. Let me know if the deal's finalized, and I'll just move it over to Luis's spot. I don't mind doing that. Corey Kluber, Indians. Jake Arrieta, Cubs. Hank Aaron, Braves. Hunter Dozier, Royals, rookie. That one, that was like a refractor. Or just Stadium Club Chrome. I don't know. Cool looking card. Jose Altuve, Astros is a gold ink. Ian Desmond, Rockies, looking like through a barrel. Fernando Rodney, Diamondbacks. Wilson Contreras, Cubs. Jason Varitek, Red Sox. John Lester, Cubs. 120 and 36. Let me look at those photos. A lot of the Cubs were. Not 36, not Wilson. I swore John Lester was 120. Yeah, and that's the base card right there. The variation is him holding the World Series trophy. Pretty cool looking card. That's John Lester, Cubs. Kenta Maeda, Dodgers. Miguel Cabrera, Tigers. And Jose Altuve, contact sheet with the Astros. Billy Hamilton, Reds. Second time we've had that one. Corey Seager, Dodgers. Is that the same Corey Seager we pulled earlier? 155. There is no variation for Seager, so it must have. So I'm obsessed to try and identify these. Matt Shoemaker, Angels. Stephen Vogt, Athletics. Joe Mauer, Twins. Michael Conforto, Mets. Odubel Herrera, Phillies. Carlos Correa, Astros. Cole Hamels, Rangers. Marlins, Martin Prado. And backwards. Mark Melancone, Giants. Carl Yastrzemski, Red Sox. Omar Vizquel, Indians. Jarrell Cotton, Athletics, rookie. Hernan Perez, Brewers. And Power Surge, Corey Seager for the Dodgers. John Gray, Rockies with the celebratory splash. Chipper Jones for the Braves. Matt Duffy, Rays. Sonny Gray, Athletics. Roy Oswalt, Astros. Elvis Andrews, Rangers. Noah Syndergaard, Beam Team with the Mets. Cool looking insert. Fernando Rodney, Gold Label for the Diamondbacks. Ian Kinsler, Tigers. And Danny Santana, Twins. All right. Stephen Piscotty, Cardinals. Duke Snyder, Dodgers. Aaron Nola, Phillies. Dexter Fowler, Cardinals. Michael Fulmer, Tigers, scoreless streak. Steven Strasburg, Nationals. Nelson Cruz, Mariners. Marlins, AJ Ramos. Kyle Seager, Mariners. Willie McCovey, Giants. Rick Porcello, Red Sox. Derek Jeter, Yankees. I didn't see him last box either. Pat Neshek, Phillies. And a Beam Team, Robinson Cano. I missed a couple golds on a Seaver and a Hamilton. Oh, the first time they were gold. That's why they had two of them. I got you. Jason Hayward, Cubs. Troy Tulowitzki, Blue Jays. Jose Barrios, Twins. I've been obsessed with the photo variations lately, trying to identify them. That I didn't think through that. Well, there's our autograph. Can't really see who it was. It's there, about 5, 6 cards left. Bryce Harper, Nationals. I feel like that we identified, that's got to be the base card. We had that card. Yeah, that's the base. All right, Mark McGwire with the Cardinals. Shelby Miller, Diamondbacks. Ichiro, Marlins. Willie Stargell, Black Label for the Pirates. Hunter Pence, Giants. Alex Dickerson, Padres. And I missed one. Ty Black, Gold Label, Giants. And I thought this was who it was. I saw part of the name, but I didn't want to say anything. Jarrell Cotton, rookie for the Athletics. Autograph. His name looks like he's spelled potty. That one is going to go to Don Reed. No, I'm not trying to take it away. Just not the one I was wanting. It was an Athletic. Want a big one. Although Jarrell Cotton, a rookie, I guess there's still time. He's a decent one? Okay. I see Athletic, rookie, and it just doesn't jump out to me. Then again, I'm not crazy on baseball. All right, Mets, Gavin Caccini, a rookie for the Mets. Henry Owens for the Red Sox. Ryan Schimpf for the Padres. And DJ LeMahieu, Rockies, finishes it out. We've seen that one before. I feel like somebody was signing autographs in their card, and it was the variation. No, not that one. All right, that was the one box of Stadium Club. Yeah, I'll go get another baseball posted. We'll do that all at once. The 2 hits, Jarrell Cotton, rookie auto for the A's. No number or anything on it. And Stephen Wright for the Boston Red Sox. On card autographs. It's 5:35. All right, we're going to break football here a little bit, but first I'm going to post the big one for the night.